Hey guys, Daniel Lewis here. I'm here to share with you how you can make money on Facebook, on social media, on Instagram. Okay, first of all, the reason why your business is not making enough money probably is, you probably need to get more customers. You need to prospect more. You need to make more sales. But what's the number one problem that a business has? You know what the number one problem is? Obscurity. No one knows you. Flying under the radar is not gonna work. It's not gonna be successful. It's gonna fail you in this economy, especially because so many businesses are trying to make noise and get out there and be known, because now there's very little buyers, very little prospects, because everyone has this mental idea that that is the way it is, but it's not. It's because people are not spending. They're spending less. The economy has taken a downturn. Does not mean that you need to contract too mentally with your creativity and your imagination. Okay, you need to do more in this time. That's what you need to do. Okay, and you got to use every channel you can, whether it's email, whether it's cell phone, whether it's personal visits when the lockdown is over. Oh hey, if you can figure out how to get a personal visit, man, that's up to you. But freaking get out there, use social media. We made a simple $1,000 selling something that we did not need, another person did not need to spend money on. It was not going to be something they were going to use anytime soon. It was an amplifier for an electric guitar, and we sold it and got $1,000, bro. $1,000, bam, just like that. What if that was your product for your business, you know, or your service, or a contract? Wouldn't you prefer doing that? And the way to do that is you got to keep beating in that space, man. Keep freaking marketing your product, your service, whatever it is. Keep getting out there, get your face, get your brand, get your name known about, so you don't keep flying under the radar where there are no prospects, no clients, no potential customers. You gotta keep being out there, man. Okay, so it was a little story that I wanted to tell you, because it can be done. People that think social media is a waste of time are stupid. Stupid. That's right, you need to be a monster in your space. You need to dominate your industry. You know, be the go-to guy, the go-to guy, the go-to girl, the go-to gal, the go-to company. Be known. Use the social media portals and mediums to get attention to your brand. That's the only way people will know about you, or that you have a particular product or service that they may need, and it is only through that medium they will contact you. You will find them, and then you can sell them, son. Get you some money, man. That's my advice for you. I thought I'd share with you. Keep it real, 10x your game.